Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we share with you the amazing benefits of natural ingredients for your health and wellness. Today, I'm going to talk about a spice that you may have heard of but never tried before, the food of God. Asafoetida, also known as Hing, is a dried sap obtained from the roots of ferula plants and is commonly used for culinary or medicinal purposes. In this video, I will tell you what Asafoetida is, how it can improve your health, and how to use it in your cooking. If you're a fan of a healthy living style, you've come to the right place. We have all the type of healthy food content you could ever want, right here on our channel. Whether you're here to learn something new, be entertained, or simply enjoy our videos, we've got you covered. But we need your support to keep this channel going strong. So, what can you do to help? It's simple, really. Just hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of health enthusiasts. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, ensuring you never miss out on the latest healthy food content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. By doing so, you'll receive instant notifications whenever we upload a new video. That way, you'll always stay up to date with the latest trends and information in our channel. Your support goes a long way in helping us reach more viewers and inspire us to create even better content for you. Now let's back to our discussion about the food of God. So, what is Asafoetida? Asafoetida is a spice that originates from India, Afghanistan, and Iran, where it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cuisine. It has a strong, pungent odor that resembles sulfur and onions, which is why it is sometimes called stinking gum. However, when cooked, its flavor and smell become much more pleasant and are often compared to those of leeks, garlic, or even meat. Asafoetida is usually sold as a coarse, yellow powder that needs to be stored in an airtight container to preserve its freshness and potency. Asafoetida has many names in different languages and cultures. For example, in Farsi, it is called anguza, which means devil's dung. In India, it is called Hing, which means strong smelling. In Arabic, it is called hallat or hilba, which means seed. In English, it is also known as devil's dust, foods for gods, or giant fennel. Asafoetida is derived from the fennel herb, which belongs to the same family as carrots and parsley. The plants grow up to 10 feet tall and have large leaves and yellow flowers. The sap is extracted from the roots of the plants when they are about 4 or 5 years old. The sap is then dried and ground into a powder that can be used as a spice or a medicine. But, how can Asafoetida benefit your health? Asafoetida has many health benefits, especially for your digestive and respiratory systems. It is a source of antioxidants that may protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. It may also help prevent or treat various diseases and conditions such as digestive problems. Asafoetida can help relieve gas, bloating, flatulence, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and intestinal worms by increasing digestive enzymes and bile. It can also help treat constipation by acting as a laxative. Asafoetida is commonly used in Indian cuisine, especially in lentil dishes, vegetarian stews and soups, and pickles. Respiratory problems. Asafoetida can help treat asthma, bronchitis, coughs, colds, and flu by loosening mucus and reducing inflammation in the airways. It can also help lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels. Blood sugar problems. Asafoetida may help lower blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin secretion and improving glucose metabolism. It may also help prevent or manage diabetes by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Sexually transmitted diseases. Asafoetida may help treat infections caused by bacteria or fungi such as Candida albicans, chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, and trichomoniasis by inhibiting their growth and activity. Cancer. Asafoetida may help prevent or fight cancer by inducing apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells, inhibiting angiogenesis, blood vessel formation, in tumors, modulating immune system responses, and enhancing the effects of chemotherapy drugs. If you've enjoyed the content so far, please show us some love by hitting that like button. Your support goes a long way in helping us reach more viewers and inspire us to create even better content for you. Now let's dive in part 3. How to use Asafoetida in your cooking. Asafoetida is a versatile spice that can enhance the flavor of many dishes. However, it should be used sparingly as too much can overpower the taste of other ingredients. Here are some tips on how to use Asafoetida in your cooking. Use a pinch of Asafoetida powder per serving or about 1/4 teaspoon per 4 servings of food. Fry Asafoetida in oil or ghee, clarified butter, for a few seconds before adding other spices or ingredients to release its aroma and flavor. Add Asafoetida to dishes that contain beans, lentils, peas, or other legumes to reduce gas and improve digestion. Add Asafoetida to dishes that contain garlic, onion, ginger, or turmeric to enhance their flavor and health benefits. Add Asafoetida to dishes that are sour, spicy, or savory to balance their taste and add depth. Experiment with Asafoetida in different cuisines such as Indian, Persian, Middle Eastern, or Mediterranean. For short, Asafoetida is a very versatile spice that can be used in many different cuisines and dishes. And also is very potent, so you only need a pinch or a small amount to flavor your food. Too much Asafoetida can make your food bitter and unpleasant. Asafoetida needs to be cooked in oil or ghee before adding to other ingredients. Otherwise, it can have a raw and harsh taste. You can fry it with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, or other spices to make a tempering or tadka, which is a common way of seasoning Indian dishes. Asafoetida goes well with lentils, beans, peas, and other legumes, as it can enhance their flavor and reduce their gas-producing effects. You can add it to dal, khichdi, sambar, rasam, or other soups and stews made with legumes. Asafoetida can also be used to flavor rice, bread, pickles, chutneys, sauces, and curries. You can add it to biryani, pulao, paratha, naan, akar, raita, or any dish that you want to give a savory and onion-like taste. Asafoetida can be combined with other spices such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, coriander, fenugreek, cardamom, and cinnamon to create different spice blends and masalas. You can use these spice mixes to marinate meats, vegetables, tofu, paneer, or any other protein of your choice. Asafoetida can also be used in other cuisines such as Persian, Afghan, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean. You can add it to dishes such as korma, kofta, kebab, hummus, falafel, tabbouleh, or any dish that you want to give a rich and exotic flavor. I hope you learned something new and useful about Asafoetida today. If you want to try this spice for yourself, you can find it online or in specialty stores that sell Indian or Middle Eastern products. As always, consult your doctor before using any herbal remedies or supplements, especially if you have any medical conditions or allergies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.